A lot of people don't think about using prunes and pork, but the beauty of it is it's so versatile. You can use it as a jam or as a mustard, or you can even dice it up and use it in the bread pudding, which really complements pork. And that is the versatility that we find with prunes. Along with pork, we also source all of our ingredients to be what we feel is a premium product. And we found that these California premium prunes deliver on the quality we look for, the taste we look for, and especially the texture. This is our smoked pork rack with the prune and mustard that we blended together. We also have some butter roasted fingerling potatoes. At the Porchetta Shack in the Pioneer Barbecue, we really spend a lot of time sourcing our pork, traveling through the different parts of our country to find the ones that live the best and are the happiest. What we use consistently is American pork, one that is raised properly and processed properly. The reason we look for that is the happier the pig, the better it tastes. It tends to lend to a little bit sweetness to the meat and also a little bit more tenderness, and that's really what we're looking for. This is our tomahawk, which is rarely seen in pork, but isn't it beautiful? We serve this with a foie gras succotash and a Maui onion and prune jam.